Hello beautiful people of the internet, hope everybody has been doing well. In today's video, as you can already tell from the title, we are going to do a first impression on this unique thing that I recently discovered in my PR package. It is this massager right here. It is a percussion massager handheld device and it looks like a stapling gun, don't you think so? Anyway, so this little thing right here is something very unique because I've not seen anything like it before, and I thought it was really interesting, so I wanted to share with you guys. So basically in this first impression video, I wanted to divide it up in 3 parts. The first is going to be specs or details of the product. The second is going to be the ease of use, and the third is going to be the pricing for the product. So without further ado, let's go right into the specs of this little percussion handheld device right here. So basically this is what it looks like. It is just in this gray and black tone color, and it has the attachment on here already. It came with 4 attachments. This is the round head one, and then I also have 3 more here. This one is like a U-head attachment, and it is said to use on cervical muscles or crevices. And then this is just a round flat one, and it is supposed to use all over the muscles. And then we have this pointy one, which is basically used for joints pain. And then this one is the biggest one that I put on here, which is also used for deep muscle tension relief. So yes, basically those are the 4 heads that comes with it. And then this thing right here came in 2 pieces. The first part right here, and then this black part down here just screwed right onto the device right there. So this is the power cord that comes with the device. It's just a wall plug-in power cord, and then it has this little end right here that plugs into the device to charge it. And the thing that I love about this device is that it has really long battery life. I believe it can last, one charge can last up to about 6 hours working. So that's really nice that you have 6 hours to operate the machine and it doesn't go dead, so that you don't have to keep on recharging. So that is really good. And also the design is really ergonomic, and I love the fact that it's not that heavy. It's only about 2.5 pounds, so that's not very bad at all. Also, I love the fact that it's not that noisy. So let me turn it on and show you. So it's already turned on. So at the bottom right here, it has the off and then the on button, and all I need to do is just turn it on to the side. And then you can see the LED light just light up around here at the bottom in green. And then up here, I'll just have to go to the power button right here, turn it on, and then you can see the LED flashes green right there. So you can see that the device is already on. So let me go to level 1. So I'm gonna turn it up to level 1 right here. This is what it sounds like. And then level 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1. Okay, so those are the different levels and the different noises that are associated with the levels. So the faster the levels or the machine spins, the more noise it's going to make. And I believe they said that level 1 goes from 1500 RPMs, strokes per minute, and then it goes up to I believe level 5 is 3100 RPMs. So nice little settings and different settings that you can use depending on which intensity you want to use to get those really deep knots, tensions after a heavy workout. To see if that will help relieve those pain and those knots for you. So yeah, that's really nice that has those settings. Also, it comes with a case. This little case right here that you can just carry and tote it around if you're traveling. Okay, so last but not least, let's go into pricing of this handheld device right here. This costs around $159 on Amazon, which at first I thought, it is kind of pricey. It's not like a very cheap item, but it's still affordable if you're somebody who trains a lot, somebody who works a lot, and you feel like you need something to kind of help you relieve some of that tension daily, or even maybe every 2 or 3 days or something like that, 2 times out of the week. I think it'd be worth it if you really need a massager. This is good to look into. There are other brands out there that I believe is very similar to this one. They're the original ones, and they cost a little bit more. The Tim Tams, I believe, is $499, and the Theragun, which is also around the same ballpark, $500 or $600. The Hypervolt, which also costs a little bit too. So this is one of the entry level, and I feel like it's a more affordable pricing based on those percussion massagers, and I do feel that it's really helpful. I just don't know right now, because I just recently got it, if I would use this on a daily or even weekly basis. Definitely something that you probably want to check out if you do feel like you are training really heavily and you need some of that tension relief. I think it would be worth it to get it. If not, and you're not training that much, maybe this one is not something for you, but check it out if this is something you're interested in. I think it's pretty neat, and I believe that is everything that I have to share with you in this video. If you have any questions for me, please link it down below like always, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope to see you in the next video. See you later. Bye.
If you want me to get close to you, just tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. If you want me to take over, just give me the green light. Just give me the green light. If you want me to get close.